Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll open Word and get straight into creating. First, install and sign in so templates and cloud files appear. This lets autosave work. Once done, tap the plus New Document button, pick a blank or template, and make sure the keyboard and touch cursor behave as expected. If you need voice typing, enable microphone permissions and choose dictation from the keyboard. These steps start the document with Cloud Sync and editing tools, ready for the next stage of formatting and collaboration. Now you edit. Select text and use the toolbar to change font, size, and apply styles. This keeps structure consistent. To place images or tables, use the Insert menu, tap and drag handles to resize, and use layout options for text wrapping. This prevents overlap. For longer edits, use Find and Replace to fix repeated errors and turn on track changes to review edits collaboratively. Make sure autosave is active and that your cloud folder shows the updated timestamp before moving on. Finish by saving and sharing correctly. Choose OneDrive for automatic version history or save as to store a local copy. When sharing, pick link or attach the file, then set edit or view permissions so recipients can't change what you don't want edited. If sharing or syncing fails, first check your internet connection, then verify you're signed into the right account and that storage permissions are granted. A key troubleshooting tip: force close and reopen the app after confirming credentials. That refresh often fixes sync stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.